OMG guys, can you see this? Check out the cars, girl. Check out the cars. So this is the next day and the cars are still popping. So let's get on to making this wig, shall we? So hey guys, you are welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making a coily wavy hair using just a braiding hair to achieve that. So to begin, I'm going to be doing a cut 4 on the braiding hair. It all depends on the length you want for this hair. So right now I'm just going to be highlighting this, and like I always do, I'm going to be using my thumb as a measurement for my highlights. And basically what I'm going to do is just to highlight it further using a chalk. So right now I have my braiding hair with me. I'm just going to cut out a little portion of hair, and I'm going to be crocheting this hair with a small crochet pin. So you want to make sure that you are not leaving enough space and you're not taking a lot of hair, because you don't want the hair to be lumpy or you don't want the knots to be showing at the end of the day. So right now I'm going to be pretty fast with this because I really do not want to waste much of your time, but I want to show you every bit of the hair, every bit of this tutorial, so you're going to get everything I did. So by the time I'm done, this is what I have. So I just use my thumb highlight measurement to just crochet the hair, and by the time I'm done, I just went ahead to comb the hair, and this is what we are looking at. So next I'm going to be doing is to make my closure. In order to do that, all I'm going to be doing is to crochet the hair onto the net. So I'm doing a 5x4 closure, so 5 to the back and 4 across. It all depends on what you want for your closure. And like I always say guys, when you're ventilating, just put in one line, you crochet one hole, you skip one hole, and then you move to the next. And when you're moving to the next hole, you're just going to leave one whole line, and then you're going to repeat the same process. And then when I get to the front, just 4 lines to the front, I'm going to make sure I crochet on every hole. So in case you're looking for a full tutorial on how to make closure, I have that. I'm going to be leaving that in the description box, so do not forget to check that video out if you really want to make a closure like a pro. So a lot of people have been asking how I get to achieve like a natural kind of looking closure for my front hair, and this is basically it. I'm just going to crochet, like when I get to like 4 lines to the front, I'm going to crochet on every hole, and I'm using at least 1 to 2 strands of hair for every hole, and this is how we arrive to this place. So now my closure is done. I'm just going to comb the hair, and when I finish combing the hair, I'm just going to be doing my baby hair. So initially I didn't want to do it, but hey, who doesn't love a baby hair for their head? So yeah, this is my baby hair, and this is the overall view of the closure. So as you can see, it came out so beautiful. So right now I'm going to be installing the closure onto the hair. So actually I pre-made the closure, so it doesn't really waste my time when I'm making this, but it all depends on what you want. So yeah, I'm just going to install the closure, and I don't think there's any special way of installing the closure. All you have to do is to make sure that the middle part is staying straight and it doesn't bend when you finish making the wig. So yeah, that is basically it. After installing the closure, this is what we have, and if you notice, I left like a big chunk of space just in between the closure and the crochet hair. Soon enough I'm going to be telling you why I left that space, but for now I'm just going to cut out the excess part of the closure, which I am definitely not going to be needing for this hair. And this is what we have, guys. So I know at this point the hair looks full enough, but believe me guys, it is not full because I still left one space, and this is why I left the space. So basically for my crochet hair, I always find it hard for me to wear the hair at the end of the day, because that lump, like the place I crochet the hair, keeps on showing. So what I'm going to do is to make a wig cap, so a weave on. Yeah, so I don't know if this is called a weave on, but that is what I'm doing. I'm just going to loop this at the back of the hair, and then I'm going to loop in the hair between the ropes, so it is quite easy to achieve. You can just follow the process and you would do this. So I know a lot of you will be wondering why I didn't do this for the whole of the hair, why I didn't just pick one method to do that. First of all, this method takes a whole lot of time to do. You might end up spending 3 days or more if you're lazy like me, and because I do not want to spend that much time, I just decided to do this for the front and the crochet for the back, the reason I didn't make the crochet for the back is because by the time I finish making the wig, if I coil this hair up, you're going to be seeing that showing, and that is not what we want. So we definitely want like a neat pattern for our hair. We definitely want a good result. So yeah, after doing that, I'm just basically sewing the hair onto the cap. So this is actually a nice way for you to have a good result for your hair. So it doesn't just work for coily hair, you should try this also for your straight wig, and you're going to notice that the wig is looking beautiful and the crochet part of the hair is not showing. This is like a good tip for all of the wig you make. So yeah, when I'm done, this is what we have. I'm just going to comb this up and we are pretty much done, guys. This is what we have. So next, I'm going to be coiling the hair. So basically what you are going to do is to make sure you detangle the hair. Yeah, comb everything out, make sure there's no lump or anything as you want to coil the hair. So after detangling the hair, I have my broom already inside the straw, so the broom in the straw is going to help the hair not bend while I am coiling the hair. Believe me guys, if the broom is not inside the straw, you're going to have it bending, and that is not what we want. So yeah, make sure the straw is facing front of the hair and not back. So by the time you coil the hair up, make sure it is facing front as you coil down the hair. If it is facing back, it is not going to stay when you leave it. Always make sure you're following this direction as I am, and then basically all you're going to do is to coil the hair around the straw. And as you do this, always make sure you're leaving some space as you coil the hair through. So guys, in case you see the coils loosening up, all you are going to do is just roll it back up and put on the bubble pins. So I was actually out of bubble pins, that is why I didn't put much bubble pins, but make sure you have bubble pins ready by the time you're making this. So at this point, I believe this video is descriptive enough for you to understand. And yeah guys, I still have my baby hair protected, just standing at the front for me. So this closure part is a delicate part, so I just decided to put on the bubble pins for the closure part because that part doesn't really stay. So yeah, if I were you, if I'm doing this, I'll just put on bubble pins as I coil this hair, so you're going to have a good result. So this is an overview of the hair. Next I'm going to be doing is to put on my Mega Great leave-in conditioner. You can use any leave-in conditioner of your choice, and I'm using the Ozone Weave oil, and you can use any oil of your choice also. It all depends on what works for you. So right now I'm just going to be adding a handful amount of them inside a bowl and hot water inside the hair, so make sure the water is hot. Make sure the water is extremely hot if it's possible, as you're just removing it from the fire or whatever you're boiling with it. Always make sure you're putting it directly onto the hair. So guys, this is what we have so far. So this is immediately the hair cooled down a little. I didn't even allow this dry up, and right now I'm going to be showing you how I got to this point, how I got these beautiful juicy coils. So yeah, so what I did at first, I just removed the straw from the hair, and right now I'm going to go over with my leave-in conditioner. So I'm just going to apply the leave-in conditioner on the hair. So as I do this, I'm just going to gently separate the coils. As you can see, I am not forcing the coils to separate. It is separating all by itself, and that is what we want. So you can see how beautiful the hair is. I know a lot of you will say it is better you just braid the hair, it is going to give you the same results. But if you braid the hair, it is going to tangle like faster than this method. So it all depends on what you want. But if you want your coils to last longer, then you definitely need to use this method. It doesn't take long, it doesn't take time. Just basically just apply the leave-in conditioner, and now I am just going to be detangling the hair. So I'm unraveling the coils. I am taking my time to do this, as you can see, and as you can see, the hair is coming out really beautiful. Check this out, guys. Check this out. These coils are bomb. They are bomb. They're really beautiful, guys. To be honest, when I started this, I really wasn't expecting the outcome to come out this way, and to my surprise, guys, it came out so beautiful. The coils are really juicy. So if at this point you're still watching and you're really impressed with these coils, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video to your friends and your loved ones. So yeah, this is the coils, guys. So juicy, like you can even see from my face the excitement, everything, like everything about this coil is what I love. So yeah, impatient me wanted to try this out, and I just wanted to show you what it will look like. But yeah, this hair is still wet, and this is what we have, guys. Guys, are you seeing this? This is way above my expectations, and I really love this. I really love how the coils came out. It came out super beautiful. So as you can see from my expressions, from my mood, everything, you will know that I definitely love the coils. But yeah, guys, another impatient me was saying that it is not just good to leave you guys and go just like that without having to see how it will look like the next day. So yeah, I'll see you the next day. Okay guys, so this is the next day, and basically all I did is just to prep the wig. So I make sure I allow this to dry up, so I'm going to show you what it will look like when it is dried, and this is what we have. Did you notice any changes so far? Well, the changes that I noticed are just a little. First of all, the hair is not as heavy as it was yesterday. The hair is slightly light-weighted, and that is like okay for every dried hair. And yeah, this is what we have. The coils are still intact. They are bouncy, guys. They are super beautiful. I absolutely love this hair, guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I guess that is it about this video, guys. Do not forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, leave your comments about what you think about this hair. So yeah, this is all of it. I am super excited about this outcome. I absolutely love this. I'll be trying this again, and this hair is going to last for the longest. All you're going to do when it is dried is just to apply your leave-in conditioner, and the coils are still going to remain intact. Well, I'll be showing you pictures maybe like along the line how this hair is going to look like, but for now guys, this is what we have. This hair is bomb. Well, that is it about this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys, so you can always promote me to going higher and going places. So yeah, that's it about this video guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video.